Hello, welcome to Digifia. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can create a Facebook page for your business. A Facebook page is what allows you to do business activities on Facebook. So log on to this page. I'll put the link in the description. Click on this create a page button. It will take you to the page creation page. But before that, if you're not logged into your Facebook account, it will ask you to log into your Facebook account. Remember, it's your personal Facebook account. So as I'm logged into my account, so it has taken me to the page creation page. So now let's put a name for your page. So I'm putting it at digifear.com. Category might be uh, internet company. Put a bio here. So it's optional, I'll be putting it later. Click on create page. It will take a minute or two. Okay, now it says the page has been created and now we can add more details. So website is phone number is going to be optional, email ID. Okay, no address, opening hours, no hours available. Click on next. Okay, now it is asking for pictures, so add a profile picture. So I'm going to upload the logo. Okay, so as you can see, the logo is not fit here, so I'm going to use a different one. So this one is perfect. So make sure that your logo is fit in the logo area. So now let's add a cover image. So yeah, we have got the cover. Click next. Okay, now it is asking to connect WhatsApp, so I'll going to skip it. Now it is asking to invite friends, I'll skip it. Stay updated, done. So now the page has been created and here you can see we have a lot of tools here and we can customize our page here. So yeah, that's how you can create a Facebook page and you can add details accordingly. Thanks for watching.